What if you could invest in hundreds, or even thousands, of companies with just one trade? Most beginner investors don't know these ETFs exist, and that could mean missing one of the simplest ways to build long-term wealth. Here are 5 top ASX ETFs for beginners, offering diversification and low fees. Number 1. Vanguard Australian Shares ETF. Want exposure to Australia's biggest companies? VAS invests in more than 300 Australian stocks, including giants like BHP, Commonwealth Bank, and Westpac. With an ultra-low management fee of just 0.07%, it's a popular core ETF for investors who want broad exposure to the Australian market. Number 2. Vanguard International Shares ETF. Why invest only in Australia when you can own the world? VGS gives you access to over 1,200 global companies, including Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, and Alphabet. It's a simple way to diversify internationally while keeping costs relatively low. Number 3. BetaShares Global Royalties ETF. This one's different. Instead of traditional businesses, ROYL focuses on companies that generate income from royalties and intellectual property. From semiconductor technology to music and pharmaceuticals, it's a niche ETF that can add a different source of diversification to a portfolio. Number 4. iShares S&P 500 ETF. If you've heard of the S&P 500, this ETF lets you invest in 500 of America's leading companies with a single ASX trade. Even better, the management fee is just 0.04%, making it one of the lowest cost ways to gain exposure to the US market. And number 5. Vanguard Diversified High Growth ETF. If you want an all-in-one investment, VDHG combines Australian shares, international shares, emerging markets, and bonds into a single ETF. With around 90% allocated to growth assets, it's built for investors with a long-term growth focus. Remember, every investment carries risk, and the right ETF depends on your goals and time horizon. Which ASX ETF would you choose? Let me know in the comments, and follow for more Australian investing content.